Hey guys, the leaves are changing here in northern Maine, and we're going to show you some surrounding scenery on our farm of the changing colors and of our fields and the progress that we have going on right now. So this week we're taking you around the farm from a bird's eye view to show you the surrounding scenery and changing colors here on Wood Prairie Family Farm.
So where we reside is in the unorganized territory of Maine, Township D, Range 2. Kinney Road is the boundary line between Bridgewater on the far side, on the east side, and then TDR2 on the west side. And Number 9 Mountain is at the very western edge of our township. And New England townships or Maine townships are 6 mile by 6 miles. So we're on the eastern edge. Number 9 Mountain is on the western edge, so it's 6 miles away from us as the crow flies. The cows here are eating some cold potatoes. They help us take care of that and eat grass and eat hay, and then turn the potatoes and hay into high quality beef for the family. So if you look real close, you can see Katahdin with the drone up high in the air. It's to the southwest of us, about 70 miles away as the crow flies. Katahdin is the tallest peak in Maine. I think it's 52, almost 5,300 feet above sea level. It can be climbed in one day, definitely worth the climb. The most obvious landmark in all of central Aroostook County anyway is Mars Hill Mountain. It rises about 1,000 feet up from the fields, potato fields at its base. It's 16 or 1,700 foot elevation. About 15 or 20 years ago, Mars Hill Mountain, they put up a wind energy project. I think there are 28 windmills. At one time, it was the largest wind energy farm in New England, and it generates electricity that I think they sell down to southern New England. The unorganized territory in Maine takes up about half of the land area in Maine, and I think there's only 3,000 or 5,000 people in the UT. It's a large part of the land area in Aroostook County, and largely for that reason that Aroostook County is the most sparsely populated county east of the Mississippi River. So our township, TDR2, is virtually all forested. We're the last farm before you get into the North Maine woods. There are just very few residents at all, and especially year-round residents. There are some camps up here that people visit in the summertime, but access is difficult in the winter when there's deep snow. At one time we had 8 residents in the township, and 6 of them were in our family. And then there were 2 bachelor loggers that lived nearby up the road towards Nine Lake. So it's a large township, just shy of 36 square miles, very few residents, and we're the last farm before the North Maine Woods begins.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the scenery that we have and get to look at every day here on the farm. It's a great place to be, great place to live. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe if you could, and comment down below where you're at and what you guys like to see us do here on the farm. We're watching your comments, so let us know.